iOS 18 eye tracking feature in iPhone. So if you want to turn on the eye tracking feature on your iPhone, iOS 18, then what you need to do is first, you just need something, make sure that you have updated your software. You need to open up your settings. From the settings, you need to scroll down, go with General. Under General, go with Software Update and update your software. After updating your software, once you have your iOS 18, what you need to do is open up your settings. And from the settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with Accessibility. Once you're in your accessibility, you need to scroll down and then you'll find an option of eye tracking. You need to tap on it and then you need to go and turn that on. Eye tracking allows you to control your device using just your eyes. iPhone should be on a stable surface, which is about 30 centimeters away from your face. That's how you can turn on the eye tracking feature in your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.